To my Wednesday wellness. So today I'm coming to you from my kitchen because we're going to do a little bit of making. So we're going to make our own facial mist, and it is just really quick. There's a number of different ways you can do it, but I'm going to show you a really quick way. So I've got a glass bottle and a little sprayer, and then I've got some water. So for water, it's really important what water you use. You need to use, it's got to be free of contaminants. So you could use distilled water, filtered water. If you've got a reverse osmosis machine, you can use that. But what's really nice, and what I did for this one, was if you know you're going to make it, you stick a jug out and you catch some rainwater, which is a really nice way to do it, because it depends where you live, but rainwater is just beautiful, and it's just coming from the heavens, and it should be free of contaminants. So it does depend where you live, but the rainwater should be the nicest option. So water is the first thing. Second thing is there's loads of different things you can put in. You can use fresh or dried herbs. In that case, you would want to steep them first of all and then strain them. You can use a load of vegetables. It's great to use stuff you have in the house, like carrot can be beautiful. Cucumber can be beautiful and cooling. Oat milk is really nice. Oat is well known as a calmer to the skin. So you can make your own oat milk, again, steeping oats overnight and straining them. What else? Rose petals, dried rose petals can be really nice as well. So there's loads of different things you can use. Now, if you use something quite fresh, you probably want to keep it in the fridge because it can go off. So that's why I tend to use essential oils, because they're pretty robust and you can keep that anywhere. If you're using essential oils, you need an emulsifier of some kind. So lecithin, liquid lecithin is great, but if you don't have that, what I just do is oils that are pre-blended, because that's what I have. So I use Uganda Relax because it's cooling. Detox is nice and fresh, but it's got bitter orange in it, which can increase your sensitivity to the sun. So I tend to use Relax because it's the most calm and the most soothing. So I just literally got my water and I just lob in quite a bit. So I'm topping that up there. So I would put in quite a bit. Probably about, so this is 125 mils. I would probably put in about 25 mils. So a fifth of the bottle. But you're mixing it, so it's going to last a long time. And then you can see it doesn't mix because water and oil doesn't mix, right? So you shake it. The great thing about this now is it's a beautiful face mist, which is really hydrating to the skin. It's fresh, it's lovely, but it's really hydrating because the oil is going to stay there and it's going to be absorbed into the skin. You can use it all over, so you can use it as a body mist after a shower, but you can also use it in the room. You can use it as a room spray. You can spray children as they're walking past to keep them calm and boost their immune system. You can use it as a mat spray also, because of course the oils are antibacterial, antimicrobial. So that's it. I tend to keep it in my room and use it as a face mist. It's nice to just spray it and then walk through it. You feel like the Queen of Sheba. So that is, how long does that take? 5 seconds. Remember to mix it, to shake it up, but it's a beautiful little extra thing you can do with your Uganda Relax. So that's it, facial mist in about 5 seconds. So let me know if you try it. Please put a comment below and let me know how you get on. Namaste.